Good morning, everyone, and welcome to preschool. It's me, Mrs. Mosinger. We're going to go ahead and get started with our circle time. So let's have everyone stand up, put our right hand over our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, let's take that hand and move it over. And we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right. Let's take a look at our calendar. It is filling up with lots of flowers. It is the 20th day of May. Now let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week the 20th falls on. Ready? Here we go. Snapping those fingers. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Your turn. I can't hear you. Saturday, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, and today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Let's take a look at our pattern to see what flower is going to come next. Pink flower, blue flower, pink flower, blue flower. That's right. All right. We have 2 more days of preschool, and then it'll be the weekend, and we do not have preschool on Monday, because it is Memorial Day weekend. Let's go ahead and take a look. We predicted sunny weather for today, and unfortunately it is not sunny. What kind of weather do we have out there? It is very windy, you're right. And cloudy. Not a sun in the sky. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? If you take a look up here, we kind of have a pattern. Cloudy, partly sunny, cloudy. What would be the pattern here if it continues? Partly sunny, that's right. Let's put that in our prediction square and see if the pattern continues. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's count to 20, and as we count to 20, let's go ahead and march, lifting the knee up. When we say 1, stand it up. Come on, stand up. Let's march and count. Lift that knee up. 1, the other knee up. 2, 3, 4, we're marching. 5, get those knees up nice and high. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent job. Let's count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's find some colors. What is this delicious thing right here? What color is that? Brown. Chocolate is brown. How about these elephants? What color are they? Gray. Oh, here's Fear. What color is Fear? He is purple. Great job. How about if we go on and look at some shapes? What shape is this? A rectangle. What color is it? Blue. What shape is this? A circle. What color is it? Green. What shape is this? Oval. What color is the oval? Gray. That's right. All right, let's sing our shape song. Ready to sing?
Practice math on adapted
Always
mind
with
to
the
learn and
3,
earn rewards
2,
on your learning
1,
adventure.
and we're scooting on. Here we go. Shapes have names, angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes all the time. Say a shape. Shape, name, game. Let me hear you. Circle. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star. Angles and lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. What is this? Rhombus. Now, what could a rhombus be called? A diamond. That's right. Good job. All right, moving on. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Now, curds and whey is cottage cheese. So if we were in school, as we read this one, we always have the kids try some cottage cheese. So if mommies and daddies have some cottage cheese at home or like to buy it, it's a good chance to give it a whirl. We have a tiny little no thank you bite. And if you're going to buy it, I suggest buying the whole milk. And that's more acceptable for the youngins. Let's take a look at this video.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
There we go. Okay. What is this? Dime. This one? Nickel. This one? Penny. And this one? Quarter. Excellent. Our numbers? 4, 7, 9, 10, 8, 6, 3, 2, 1, 5. All right, we are making our numbers today. We're on 3 and 4. Let's sing about where we start those numbers. Where do we write them? We start at the top. That's right. Let's go ahead. If you have your board, you're grabbing that out. Grabbing out 2 little curves, a big line, and 2 little lines.
Where do you start your letters?
At the top.
If you want to start a letter,
Then you better remember to start it at the top. Are you ready? Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Point to the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top.
There you go.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top?
I can't
If
hear
you want to
you.
start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
We go ah.
Reach up.
Way
Way up.
up.
Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top.
Now we're going down.
Reach down. Way
Way
down. Is
down.
that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom.
Here we go. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The top.
Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Raise it. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Here we
Is
go.
this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Excellent job, friends. Now, what are we building today? We are building the number 3 and 4. So let's grab our little curve, put it right underneath Mr. Matt's smiling face. And let's grab our other little curve and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Lower mine down a little bit too high. There we go. And I've made the number 3. Now I'm going to have my turn. So your hands are in your lap. Your listening ears are on. Inside voices are off. And it's my turn. And it's the little curve. Little curve. Your turn. Are you ready? Fingers at the top. And we say, little curve, little curve. Excellent. Let's try to make the number 4. So let's clear our board. And now we're going to grab our little line down and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We'll grab another little line and we're going to make it go across. Put it right on top of that little line down. And now you're going to grab your big line down and put it right next to that little line across. All right, my turn. Hands in lap. Listening ears on, inside voices off. My turn. Little line down. Little line over. Frog jump up. Big line down. One more time. My turn. Starting at the top under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Little line down. Little line over. Frog jump up. Big line down. All right, do it with me. Here we go. Little line at the top. Fingers are there. Little line down. Little line over. Frog jump up. Big line down. Excellent job. I hope you'd come back and listen to Miss Nichols read story about baby animals. They are growing up, and that's what we're talking about this week. I can't wait to see everyone tomorrow for our Zoom. And we're going to see everyone's chrysalis or caterpillar. We're going to talk about transferring it and making sure that's okay. And we're going to talk about when they come out and become butterflies, what we need to do for them. So I can't wait to see you tomorrow for our Zoom. Have a great day and stay warm. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.